What's up, everybody? Today we have a review on the Bounce Tigger. So his head turns. He's pretty much plastic, so you can't really sleep with him. He's all animatronic, and this has a springy tail that bounces up and down. Really cool toy. His head does turn as he's doing it, which is really amazing. This is a 2010 version, and you hit the top of his head if you want. His foot you can make and he'll talk and bounce, which is really, I love this toy. It's like the best toy I've seen at Tigger. And here's his tag, for those of you that didn't know. He was made by Just Play Toys. And I put fresh new batteries in him, so let's see if he works. Let's open his battery pack up. In the back. When you open him, he has a switch. And it's on off mode, so let's turn him on to not demo mode to the on mode. And here he goes. This thing is so amazing. I'm really impressed how this watch works really good. So let's hit his foot.
That is how you bounce.
So let's hit his foot again.
Wiggity, 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 wiggle. Did you know that bouncing gives me the giggles? I'm giggling and wiggling too.
Let's hit it one more time.
I'll get the giggles and I can't stop giggling.
So there you have it, guys. The Bounce Tigger. There you have it, everybody. This is the Kid Cool saying, keep playing with your toys. Later.